To change the lighting color of the brief notification pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap notification pop-up style. If you have set it to brief, you can change the lighting color of the pop-up. To do so, tap Add Lighting Style, tap Color tab, select color, and then select the desired color you like to use. As the example, we will select green. As you can see, when you are receiving a brief notification pop-up, the edge of your phone will be light up in green, and the pop-up and its effect will also be displayed in green. To save the change, tap done button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.